we say, God, speak to me. Oh, free me, God. Free me from myself.
You brought this backpack of issues, this backpack of addiction, this backpack of brokenness. You're going to leave it on this altar and you are going to walk out free. Why? Because that's what happened to me.
The greatest days are ahead.